the red trees here and the buildings. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Riffa. I am now at the Lake Arrowhead village. Oh my god, I really love this village. The building, it's really nice. Reminds me the village in Germany, in Bavaria. So there are boutiques here, there are restaurants, there are salons, there are mostly, if I can read correctly, there are more good shopping and dining here. That's Mexican restaurant, and this is of course McDonald's, and that's the lake. From this European style building, I'll just call it European style, I'm not sure which one. Oh my god, there's a plane up there flying. Apparently there is a small airport here in the Big Bear area. This is so nice. And please beware and read this notice: fishing and swimming is not allowed. This so in my opinion, this village and also this lake is so much better and so much more beautiful than Big Bear Lake. The activities here, I'm sure, is for swimming, boating, fishing. I think that's the boat for the tour. Oh my god, this is so nice. Can you imagine? Look at that. And this is Mountain Arts Gallery. The temperature has dropped clearly, and it's much colder now, but I just love it. This is so romantic, guys. Oh gosh, look at all the duckies. Little birdie. So that is apparently a Mexican restaurant. There's restroom. I'm gonna walk until the end of the that side over there. Let's see what's going on. So if you want to take that boat, the Arrowhead Queen, this is where you purchase the ticket. Look at these birds. This is a really nice stroll here, guys, especially like less people here than the Big Bear Lake. Jurassic fossils, Lake Arrowhead. Hi duckies! Are you for dinner? Yeah? Dinner, hey? I think she's the queen, huh? Like she's the biggest and the white, and like she's ruling. Even the birds following her. So this is Jerry's waterfront kitchen and drink. Another restaurant. Oh my gosh, I think I can live here forever, guys. So nice and it's so cool. I love cold and I don't like summer. I don't like the heat. So this is for private charters, water ski, wakeboard and kneeboard. Constructions going on here. This is such a lovely little village by the lake. I love it here. Oh my gosh. I should come back here next time, maybe stay overnight, so that I can have like a more feeling about this village, about this lake. This is such a quiet place. I love it. Like less people here than the Big Bear, and it's like, honestly, to me, it's so much more beautiful. Oh my gosh. Guys, you see the fish there? They're coming out now. There's more here. Over there, there's more. Yeah, me too. Like European style, yeah? Oh, so nice. I don't know what cities are there. Maybe Pasadena, maybe Montclair, maybe Claremont, maybe Arcadia. I really have no idea, but it's just nice. So beautiful sunset.